GMT sort of rose 36.35% in 7 days, or so they by and large thought. Bull control GMT's truly current cost activities, which certainly is genuinely huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN most certainly is floating at $346,717,663 in a sort of significant manner. Current STEPN cost certainly is $0.2918 October 2023. In this article we will walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these much of the time, commonly clarified some things, facts, what generally is in every way that really matters, momentary cost expectation for STEPN, in every practical sense. Is GMT a sort of wise speculation, which truly is genuinely huge? STEPN support and opposition levels and so forth, which sort of is genuinely huge. In any case, prior to jumping pretty profound into the GMT specialized examination, generally let us in a real sense discuss the genuinely current economic situations, showing how stepn support and opposition levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the really whole digital currency market to $1,092,074,990,404, or so they generally thought. The especially absolute exchanging volume certainly remains at $45,617,703,149 in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 51.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, which certainly shows that Bitcoin shares 51.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%, or so they generally thought. Which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $28,578.97 level after a vertical development of 0.64% in an all things considered huge way. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value lessening of 0.45%, coming to $1,582.80 during the past 24 hours in a truly significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.36, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span, so 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN generally is floating at $346,717,663, or so they truly thought. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, is somewhere near 0.26 and as of now exchanging at 49 cents in an all things considered huge way. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a kind of significant way. These occasions truly show that the market for the most part is going in a kind of descending course for fundamentally present moment, so yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the GMT specialized examination. Generally let us in a real sense discuss the really current economic situations, exhibiting how stepn support and obstruction levels and so on, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Right now, a truly broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a kind of significant manner. STEPN backing and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized markers used to distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, further appearance, how which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $28,578.97 level after a vertical development of 0.64%, or so they especially thought. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become basically more kind of dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, in every practical sense, further appearance how market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there basically was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the for the most part whole cryptographic money market to $1,092,074,990,404 in a quite large manner. Similarly, obstruction really is a level at which dealers sort of become move exceptionally dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which generally shows that GMT in every practical sense rose 36.35% in 7 days, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution, The cost of stepn, GMT, by and large is at 29 cents, up 25.02% in the kind of beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 36.35% throughout the week, most certainly further appearance how various elective cryptographic forms of money. As Ethereum fundamentally has seen a value reduction of 0.45%, coming to $1,582.80 during the past 24 hours in a genuinely significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is 346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while by and large complete market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars, showing how yet prior to jumping sort of profound into the GMT specialized examination, explicitly let us really discuss the especially current economic situations, exhibiting how stepn support and opposition levels and so on, or so they sort of thought. There generally are very nearly 1,104,192,453 sort of are available for use out of 5,566,425,803, which really is genuinely critical. STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Examination for 18 October 2023, inside and in every way that really matters, day-to-day time span, basically made sense of underneath, exhibiting how stepn support and opposition levels, and so on in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize really relative strength INDEX RSI, moving commonly normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including kind of basic moving truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA, to in a real sense, dissect the future development of the STEPN, genuinely further appearance how as of now. A kind of broad truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a very significant manner. The truly relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the GMT coin generally is close oversold zone, as RSI really is at 37, exhibiting that one-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is 346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while sort of complete market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars. Showing how yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the GMT specialized examination, truly let us basically discuss the truly current economic situations, exhibiting how stepn support and obstruction levels and so on in a kind of significant manner. While GMT's Williams %R pointer really is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange truly signal in a real sense is by and large conceivable at this reach, which generally shows what in every way that really matters brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $28,578.97 level after a vertical development of 0.64%. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The MACD line essentially is remaining underneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid, for the most